Hello YouTube family and friend. Today I'm gonna be doing my oldest daughter hair. And this is what you're gonna need. I got the hair. She's gonna be doing unicorn hair. So I got hair, and then you're gonna need comb. I use 3 different size comb because this one is to detangle her hair. Sometimes I part her hair with this one and part her hair with this one. It just depends which one I use. You're gonna need a bottle with some oil and some spray in it. It just got water and some oil. And then I got some peppermint oil. And I got some Super Grow scalp conditioner, which we probably be using this one instead of the peppermint oil. And then you're gonna need some types of clips. So I got some clips for her hair. So I'm gonna get started, and I will be coming to y'all. I will be coming back showing y'all the process that I'm doing, and probably show y'all a couple of braids, how I'm braiding her hair. Okay, so see you later. I done already done the side section of her hair. I want y'all to take a look at it. And as you can see, you probably can see her hair. That's how long her hair is off in the braids. You want to show the other side? And here's how the other side look. And now we only have the back to do. Turn around to the back. We just have her back of her head that I have to braid. But yeah, this is how her hair looks. And she's wearing unicorn hair too. Turn around. Do you like your unicorn hair?
Absolutely. I think I like this one more than the others.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I will be showing y'all how I do a couple of braids when I. Okay, I'm just to dip Trina hair off in hot water. As y'all can see, can you put the camera on Trina, Molly? No. As y'all can see, I'm finished with her hair, and she got unicorn hair braids.
I look fabulous.
And turn around. Finish with the back of it. This is how it looks, and turn around so they can see the other side. So this is how her hair looks. Okay, we fix to dip it off in hot water so her ends of her hair won't unravel. Now you can come up closer. Just don't get me off the camera. Okay. Basically, I'm just dipping it off in the hot water.
There we go.
And be careful because this is very, very hot. Extremely hot. Okay, and I'm going to take the other side and I'm going to do the same thing. And you don't have to dip it that far. Okay, I'm lifting it up and I'm just going to drain it. Okay, so it's gonna look like this after you finish dipping. And then I just gotta go back and just cut some of the ends, because we don't want the ends like everywhere. Like I said, here's how her hair look. Put it all to the back. And then we got other rainbow over there. Come here, Molly. Unicorn.
Hey,
come here, Miles.
Unicorn.
Molly.
Uni.
See, it goes all the way down. It took me about 6-7 hours to do Katrina's hair. Katrina, turn around. And there's Molly right there. She's very conceited.
Conceited? Weird.
Turn around, Molly, so they can see your hair. And here's the back of Molly's hair. This year they both wanted the same color. And this is only for the summer. This is not for school, because they cannot wear these colors at school. But yeah, if y'all like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe at the
and
bottom.
subscribe. The very top of her head, I will be showing y'all how I braided her hair in. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go for right now, but stay tuned.